Assalamualaikum friends, I am in this project which is 7th story building. In this video I will show you some useful points which are too much important for everyone. Guys, this is ceiling for this tower. This is ceiling, so in these holes they will put bulbs, lights. Okay, so in each floor the the design of the ceiling is too much change from other. You can see that one, and also you can see this one. On each floor the ceiling style is too much change. Yes. Okay friends, many students they are asking a question that what are the standard distance between two columns. One is this one column and the other one is this column. So in this video I will show you practically that what are the standard distance or spacing between two columns. So we designed this column and the spacing between or distance between two columns is here just 15 feet. And remember that for that the column side should be not less than 12 inch. Okay, so you can see 12 inch is this one, means 1 foot, and 1 foot is this one. So this and also it's depend on the load. And remember, this is 7th floor building. Okay, you can see all the columns here. Okay, and each column, between two columns we have distance just 15 feet. Okay, you can see here. Yes, and also you can see depth of the beam. Okay, it's just 14 feet is the depth, and the breadth of the beam is here just 12 inch, means 1 foot, right? And also one thing other, that this is called handrail. Okay, and the handrail height is just here 36 inch, or just we can say 3 feet. It should be not less than 36 or 3 feet. You can see. Yes, this is called continuous beam. Okay, and its length is 5 feet. Okay, you can see. Yes. Remember friend, if this video is helpful for you, so must tell me in this video, and also you should subscribe this YouTube channel, because every day I am bringing these kind of videos to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. If you have any questions, so you can tell us, and also give us your idea. Inshallah, I will try to say something about your idea, and I will share my idea with you like every day. I'm coming. So staircase. Okay, so here this is called riser. This is called riser, and this is called tread. So width of the tread in this staircase is just 12 inch, and this is just 6 inch. Remember, you can see this. Okay, and its angle is just 27 degree, right? So if you have any question about this building, or about any question which I have discussed the front of you in this video, so you should comments. I will try to reply your answer, and I will try to come back again to this building if there is any problem, or if there is any other advanced technology if the owner use in this building. So I promise I will come